Hey, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to show you the best diapers that you could possibly get for your baby, in my opinion. We started off with many different diapers, but my baby ended up having sensitivities. So when we found these Honest diapers and they didn't give him rashes, we were absolutely sold. They are the only ones that I will buy for my baby from now on. This is the size 5 diaper box with the So Bananas and the big trucks. My favorite part is the wetness indicator. This yellow line turns blue when it's wet. They're nice and stretchy, so there's lots of give, and there's plenty of space, and the tabs are awesome and really big. This little frill around has caught so many blowouts from happening that it has been an absolute lifesaver for us. It holds so much and it's super stretchy. I just poured 2 whole cups of water into this diaper and it didn't leak through at all. It's totally dry to the touch. I like that it shows right here on the tab what size it is, so if you have a couple different sizes, it's real easy to check which one. I love that these diapers have a wetness indicator and that they're made with safe plant-based products, but that's just my point of view.